Hi, I'm Suzanne Weller of Weller Collaboration. I partner with leaders as a coach and consultant to reimagine how they approach their work, communicate, and build connection with others. One question that I get on pretty much a daily basis is how can they adapt their style to cultivate deeper relationships with their team members and drive performance in virtual or hybrid environments. Even on our best days, stepping into effective leadership can be a challenge. And when you add the virtual layer, so much more complexity comes to the table, making collaboration all the more difficult. A lot of our team members are drained by remote work, feeling disconnected by scattered experiences that require a heavier cognitive load. So I've created a workshop to support leaders in amplifying their virtual presence, creating safe and productive environments for their teams, and building trust from behind a screen. In this interactive session, we'll talk about what effective leadership looks like. We'll also discuss coaching and how that approach can actually help you to spark more meaningful dialogue with your team members. And we'll go over different communication techniques to hold your team's engagement across digital platforms. I'll also share some tips on how you can run more effective meetings and achieve more in less time. And this is an interactive session, so be prepared to experiment with others. We will go into breakout rooms where you can try on some of these techniques and actually receive feedback from others. You'll walk away from this session with an understanding of what it means to both lead and participate in successful meetings, how you can actually use your digital toolkit to boost collaboration and support your team members in doing their best work. Information is below, and I hope that you'll join me for one of my sessions.